In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe local multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up Mario Kart 8 Deluxe so you can play with 2 people, 3 people, or even 4 people sharing the same screen. All that you have to do to set up local multiplayer is make sure that you have additional controllers available to connect your Nintendo Switch. If you are only going to be playing between you and someone else, you can take the left Joy-Con to use as player 1's controller and the right Joy-Con to use as player 2's. However, if you are going to have more than 2 people, then you will need extra controllers. Everyone will be sharing the same screen, and this is what it looks like. So, to set up local multiplayer, back out of the game, go over to the home screen, and in here access the controllers and sensor settings. So you can either use this menu here or go over to the settings and look for controllers. So when you go into the controllers tab, you might see plenty of options like change grip/order, find controllers, pair new controllers. If you already have all the controllers connected, go over here to change grip/order. But if you need to add new ones, use one of these two options at the bottom. They will give you instructions on how to set them up. If you have a Pro controller, you will have to press the synchronize button at the back of the controller. So when you are all set and you have all of the controllers good to go, they might ask you to press a specific combination to assign them to different players. So just assign the controllers as needed to player 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like I said before, you will also be able to take apart the Joy-Cons and have one Joy-Con available for player 1 and another one for player 2. Once all of this is good to go and set up, go back inside of the game and you will find the multiplayer tab. It is going to be immediately underneath single player and you can choose between 2 players, 3 players, or 4 players, so select accordingly. You might have to confirm the connection on the controllers, so they might ask you to press left plus right once again, and once everything is good to go, you can now choose the characters available. Once everyone selects their character, you can start and everyone will be able to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe sharing the same screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Mario Kart 8 Deluxe local multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.